कुठ्ठाळेची आदली आमदार एलिना साल्डाना गोयच्या एकवटाबरोबर वेर्णा पीआयच्या हजेरेन उपजिल्हाधिकारी रविशेखर निपाणीकर हांका मेळ्ळी. रेल्वे मार्ग दोट्टीकरण, प्रदूषणाचो मुद्दो, जमीन संपादन प्रक्रिया विशयांचेर चर्चा केली. RDXGOA खातीर वास्कोच्यान प्रसाद नायक.
Project, so land acquisition process in a special project should be a one-time process. The people, the local elected bodies, that is Panchayat, have been asking RVNL and others to show the people what is going on. It is being done in total secrecy. Isn't it a right of the citizens of India to know what exactly is coming in their neighborhood? A letter from the Deputy Collector, Mr. Ravishekar Nippanikar, and this letter stated that we should be present along with the villagers who are affected by the double track project. So we decided that we will not bring the rest of the villagers, and the villagers authorized us, a few of us, 3 of us came here, and we had a discussion, quite a lengthy discussion. We put our views to the Deputy Collector about the current state of the single track, about the noise pollution, about the vibration being felt, about our housings being damaged due to the vibration, the coal dust. All these issues we placed to the Deputy Collector. We also apprised him about the illegal works that is being carried out in the tributary of the River Sal. So the Deputy Collector has promised us that he will come to the site. He has taken the certain survey numbers which we have provided him, and he will come to the site and he will address the issues along with RVNL.
Met the Deputy Collector. He listened to us. Now my stand is this. Ours is a democratic setup. We are a huge democratic country, okay? And democratic government is a government that is of the people, for the people, and by the people. So the epicenter of every development should be the people. Now, what we are trying to tell the government is the second track, is it beneficial to the people of the state? Okay. Now, I would like to know from the government, has the government carried out a survey to find out where the second track is going to land with reference to the houses along the existing track? Has the government carried out that survey? No. With respect to the sound pollution, with respect to their houses. Now, again and again, some officers keep saying that, the track, why did people build the houses near the track? That's a totally erroneous statement. These houses along the track, most of the houses along the existing track are 200 years old, 300 years old. Some houses are even 500 years old. So you cannot, it is the owners of these houses that gave land, a pathway to the railway authority to lay the first track. And now you want to lay the second track, which may land inside the compound. Is this development for us? Is this development? Can we call this development for the people of the state of Goa? The Honorable Chief Minister, Dr. Pramod Sawant, was good enough to come and see for himself. Even our late Sir Parrikar, he came on the tracks. Okay? Our Minister, Nilesh Kabra, he came on the tracks and they were taken aback. There's no doubt about it. They were taken aback by the fact of the proximity of the existing track to the houses. And just imagine what's going to happen when the second track.
What railways presently is doing, they are not touching this proposed land acquisition land. They are only doing the constructions or the protections work which you are trying to say in these 10 meters or the 15 meters which is already property of the railways.